JUNGLIST in 2025. Cool, so you get the picture, and I'm just going to walk you through what I've done because I have done that without the camera rolling. So I started out with this phase plant, and that's in here. So I've got two phase plants. One of them's this noise one. It's white noise, 216s on the wub, and we've got just that on the slope there, turns it a bit more white noise. We're creating tension in this first 8 bars. Got this big notch here what goes down as well, which creates tension. This is on the cone filter as well, so it's like sweeping upwards. Got just the limiter and the reverb there, like normal. Cool, and then this one here, I'm sorry but I actually balanced this one. That one I did in sampler with the length of the sample. I'm going to be going more into these techniques, so don't worry, I'll cover this next time if you just want to have a listen on. Then I've got this, plus we've got a few things on here: transient shaper, volcano. We're trying to create tension in all the elements, and you can see there what's going on. So that's like an auto filter basically. I'm just filtering out the bottom, filter out the top. And then I got the wider on, okay? The wider, so I've got that one on this symbol. But then on here, I had it like that, a bit wider. Okay? And then on this one's mono. And then this one is wider and it's like full wide. So I'm covering the stereo field. I've got mono and then I've got okay, with the different stereo spreads. Then I drop it into this thing here, which is mono, okay? This sub bass, no, it's an 808. It's mono, okay? So it's the contrast between extra wide and then we dropped it to mono, okay? We've done it in the past where we've monoed it and dropped it to wide, but it's just, as long as it's contrast, just think yin and yang. Balance, so yin and yang is black and white, and obviously that balances each other out, okay? Let's jump into these breaks now. So the kick and the 808, they're matching patterns. And then what did we have? This think break, and it's from Gremino Jungle. If you type Gremino Jungle Reddit, there's packs on there, really good ones by him. And what I've done here is just chopping it, Alt and grab like that. Duplicate it, Command D, and we can do short little duplicates. So also if Command and 3, if we want to do a triplet thing, we could go like, just right click and get it to 1/8 and 1/16. Let's try it like this. Make sure you highlight that top bit with the writing on if you're in that mode. Okay, and then what I might do is jump in here and then go down 1, go down 2, and then go down 3. Cool. So it gives us let's have a listen. From beginning. Okay, so that it's not really at the right spot, but if I move it. something like that. Okay, you get the gist. You guys give that a go. Then we've got the pitch and stuff. I think we pitched it up here. We've pitched it up by 10, and then we've clicked beats, one arrow, and super techie and short and stabby up there. But you're looking for contrast, so we're back to -7 here. These are back to 0. Cool. So if I click this here, look, one arrow. So you can play with that as well. And then let's try join this up here. And let's have a listen. Try this bit here. Okay, so Command and J, double click, click texture, and this 2, let's drag it along because we've made it longer now. Click it again even, and it's double long. Then if you mess with this, cool, so that's a few ways you can mess. And then other than that, it's just there's a bit more effects. We've got these ones from the sample pack, atmospheres, got these from the sample pack, and bit more effects and stuff from that Gremino pack. So hope that's helped you. I'm going to be covering more junglist stuff, more energetic stuff. It's the same basses, it's Reese bass, 808, stuff like that. Noise bass, it's the same basses as dubstep and everything, or even minimal. Harmonic bass. Let's add a quick harmonic bass. So we'll do it in Serum. So I'll just get this one, basic shapes, random down, and then FFT, so it's digital, FFT add seconds. And then we're going to go this shape here and play it. Envelope, down the octave, and I might try do a big old pitch glide with it. So LFO2, global master tune. Something a bit like that, I guess. Try and then the magic button. Give it a go. Press warp, and I want to get rid of the soggy 808s there, so they're going to clash. Not bad for the listening. Maybe get a bit of this in there as well. So we've got extra build up. One more listen.